Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to share how to delete records using Ajax in PHP. This is the table and this is the interface and this is the title. You can change this title name, we know that, and also you can delete any information or add any information very easily. So firstly I am going to share how to add any information. So must be you have to go your local host PHP my admin, we know that. So just see last name. Now I am copying the name and here that ID name like that one, and you can choose any kinds of name like Shumi and his just address. Okay, just I am typing any kinds of address. That's it. She's a female and she is a MD and age 22 years old. Then let's go. Okay, that's created. Just if you reload our table, you can see this name lastly Shumi, house number 251, female, MD, 22 years old. So if you would like to delete this name, just select, and also if you can select another names like that Bonaran Hill, and just press delete icon. After few times it will be deleted. Already we see this. That's very easy and simple. If you like to make this table, must be you have to create some database and information. No problem, just see my video description. Then you will get a link. Just click there. You will see this interface and scroll down and then see download source code. Just click here. You can download all kinds of sources from one click from here. It's very easy, like index and also database connection and also delete action. Okay, not only that, also all kinds of database like this name and etc information. Okay, if you scroll up, then you can see demo list. If you click here, then you can see many demos in my website. Just from you can see from here specifically. Also now I'm just to share how to delete multiple record using PHP Ajax. Just see that view details and view demo. If you click there, then you can see details, no problem. Now I am going to share how to create this table very easily. Okay, go. Everybody know must be we have to go our PC C drive. Just click here and jam, then std docs. Then I'm going to make table 12. Already I made that. Type to 12. Just click here and this is the database. No problem. You can download from my website just from one click. Now I'm going to make index. Okay. And just click. Sorry. Index.php. Very easy. Just okay guys, already I'm typing the all kinds of coding in index. If you change the name, staff address, gender, designation, age, you can change from here, no problem. And also you can change your title. Okay, how to delete multiple records using PHP Ajax with animated effect. You can change from title from here, no problem. Just click save a file and click save. Done. Index is done. Database connection from PHP. Just click and open. Yes guys, already I am typing, no problem. You can copy from here. Just click file and then save. Done. Now where make delete the PHP. Okay, yes, already I'm typing all kinds of codes. You can see. Then save. Okay, now we are our every work is done. Now we are check our local host table 12. Localhost table 12. Okay, press enter, then you can see this table. It's very easy and simple. If you have any question about this video, don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible, guys. No more today. Thank you very much.